Hi, in this video we're going to go over how to discover Virginia vital record information. So come on down to virginiapublicrecords.org. To get started, I'll drop a link in the description. You can click on that or just type it into your browser. On the home page, you'll notice quite a few resources available. These could be useful for vital record information search. So just as an example, if you're trying to do like a genealogy, if you're looking for genealogy databases, things like that, you'd find it here. If you're looking for, we also created a page specifically for the most sought after record types. So anything from background checks to, if you hover over other records, you'll find vital record information here. So I'm going to go ahead and select that page. You'll find resources at the state level and at the county level. Now, there's a distinction between vital record information and if you're looking for hard certificates that are official. So if you want like a birth certificate, you would have to be the actual person it belongs to, maybe the parent, maybe somebody legally representing. So if the public is looking for this information out there, or these types of documents, that's not available unless maybe some time passes after death. And then these birth certificates and death certificates and marriage certificates are then documents, like official ones, are actually released out there, and they could be used for doing like family history search, genealogy searches, things like that. But these databases or these departments specifically work with the official records. But if you are, say, looking for just vital record information, maybe you'd like to find out something about somebody's death. There are court records that could be utilized to research if somebody is filing certain financial records and things like that, like probate court. If you want to, let's say you're going on a date and you'd like to find out if the person was married, divorced, things like that, certain records will have to go through the court system. So if there is a divorce happening, it goes through, there's a judge present, it creates a court document. Depending on the situation, court documents are considered public information. So you're able to find a lot of this information using public record databases. And we have multiple databases here that you could use to find this information. Also, another thing to consider is using a private database. And this database doesn't just pull records at the state, county level. It goes outside the state. So it checks multiple databases in multiple states, public and private. And when I say private, I mean there could be things like cell phone information, previous addresses, things like that. So if you are looking up, say you are trying to figure out if somebody was divorced before, and if you're just checking in the state of Virginia, but maybe they're coming from Florida or Georgia and they moved, you're not necessarily going to locate that information. So getting that multiple state view, it could be very useful depending on what your research is all about. So keep that in mind. You got public databases, you have public offices for certificates, you have private databases that you can utilize to find all sorts of information regarding somebody. So once again, virginiapublicrecords.org. Come on down and get started on your Virginia Vital Records information search. Thank you.